and which is a vital paper for every EC engineers. And this is going to be the introductory part, and let's get started. So communication system. What does communication mean? Communication is nothing but it is going to be the transfer of information from source to destination, or from transmitter to receiver, or from one person to another person, and etc. and etc. Okay, and during communication, three things are mainly involved. What are they? It is a source, channel, and destination. What is a source, channel, and destination? Source is nothing but it has some information to be transferred to the destination. For example, we are calling over our friend. So we will be having some information to tell it to our friend, right? So that is the source and destination. And what is a channel? What is a channel means it is going to carry the information from source to the destination. So it acts as a medium between source and destination. Simple, right? And then what we are going to see is the types. What are the types of communication system? There are two types of communication system, namely wired communication system and wireless communication system. As I told the communication system, there is going to be three things definitely: source, channel, and destination. So here these two types are split based on the channel, right? The source and destination are already exist in both the wired and wireless communication system. So in wired communication system, the information from the source is going to get transferred via the wire. So it is named as wired communication system. The well-known example is the telephone, right? And wireless communication system. In this, the data is going to be transferred via the free space. We are going to give it in the free space, and the data will definitely reach the destination. That is a mobile phone. You could easily relate it, right? Okay. Well, then what we are going to do is, we are going to see the block diagram of both wired and wireless communication in this video, right? So the block diagram of wired communication system is given here. There are several blocks, namely information source, source transducer, channel, receiving transducer, and destination. So what we have already seen is the communication system has three main things: source, channel, and destination. This is same as what I have explained here, right? So information sources, the source contains some information to be transferred to the destination, right? That is what mentioned here. So why we are using source transducer and receiving transducer here? So why we are using it is because our channel is what? It will be definitely wire. Okay? We already know that the wire can transfer only the electrical signals. Okay? Am I right? So this is why the reason we use the source transducer and receiving transducer. We could speak only the physical language, right? So I'll give you an example. Let you be the public speaker, and you are going to give a speech to thousands of people. So who is the source here? So definitely you are the source, and thousands of people are the destination. The channel is what? It is via the wire. Okay, so what will be the source transducer and what will be the receiving transducer? Okay, so you cannot shout like something, right? So we will be using a mic. So here the mic acts as a source transducer. It is going to convert our physical signal into electrical signal so that these data can be transferred via the wire. Okay, and what for the receiving transducer for? So we have to extract the physical signal from the electrical signal, right, to give it to the destination. So what will be the receiving transducer? Consider it as a loudspeaker. Okay, it will convert the electrical signal into physical signal and then give it to the destination. Simple, right? Just keep this in mind. Okay, and then what we are going to see is wireless communication systems block diagram. Okay, so this is a block diagram of wireless communication system. What all it consists of? It consists of same information source transducer, and here there is a word called modulation, right? Modulation and demodulation, and here the same thing, receiving transducer and destination, right? So we know all the terms here: information source transducer, receiving transducer, and destination. What about modulation and demodulation? This is the main thing in wireless communication system. Okay, just keep this in mind. I'll be telling you the explanation of this in next video in very easy way. Okay, so you don't have to struggle with what is modulation and demodulation. We'll be always having some confusion regarding modulation and demodulation, so I'll be clearly explaining it in next video. Other than that, the all other things we have already seen in the wired communication system. Am I right? So that's all for this video. Thank you guys.